वास्तविक दुनिया की समस्याओं के लिए प्रासंगिक बनाने के लिए कौन सी नवीन शिक्षण पद्धतियों का उपयोग किया जा सकता है? What innovative teaching methods can be employed to make science education more engaging and relevant to real world problems? Right.
First of all, I'd like to say very good afternoon to everyone that you are present here. My topic is upon innovative teaching method to make scientific education and more relevant to real world context. How to foster scientific temperament in between child to teaching methods. Science education becomes meaningful when learners can connect concept with real life situation. Innovation teaching methods shift learning from both memorization to understand application and problem solving. Fluent systematic approaches can be employed to science education more engaging and relevant. The methods I will talk here are inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based learning encourage students to ask questions, investigate phenomena, and construct knowledge through exploration. Second method, problem-based learning. Learning begins with a real-life problem rather than theoretical context. Presentation of real-world problem, identification of required scientific concepts, research, and collaborative discussion. The relevance of these methods are students learn to apply scientific principles, societal and environmental challenges. Third method, project-based learning. Students work on extended projects that integrate the multiple scientific concepts. Selection of real-world themes, planning and discussion of tasks, research, experimentation, and model creation. The relevance of this project-based learning method enhances creativity, teamwork, and practical application of knowledge. My fourth methods, experiential and hand-on learning. Learning through direct experience, experimentation, fieldwork, and demonstration. Demonstration or activity, analysis and interpretation. The relevance of these methods improves concept clarity and long-term retention by linking theory to practice. My fifth teaching methods, technology integrated learning. Use of digital tools such as simulation, virtual labs, videos, and data analysis software. The relevance of these methods help visualize abstract concepts and prepare students for modern scientific or environment. The conclusion of these methods, innovative teaching methods transfer science systematically, incorporating inquiry, problem solving, and process of hands-on experience, technology, and interdisciplinary approaches. Science education becomes more engaging and relevant to real-world problems. Such methods help to develop scientifically literate individuals capable of critical thinking and informed decision-making to foster the scientific temperament in between the child. And this method also helpful to engage, make science more relevant to real-world concepts. Thank you.
Okay, very good. आपने नवीन शिक्षा पद्धति के बारे में, अपने नवीन शिक्षण पद्धति के बारे में, न्यू टीचिंग मेथड के बारे में अपनी बातें बताई कि कैसे इसे हम और भी प्रभावी बना सकते हैं, वैज्ञानिक शिक्षा या फिर विज्ञान शिक्षा को कैसे हम आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं, ऐसे अलग अलग पद्धतियों का प्रयोग करके। अगला जो इस पैनलिस्ट में अगला जो नाम आता है वो है विशाल का, जो हमारे BA द्वितीय वर्ष के प्रशिक्षु हैं। और विशाल से जो प्रश्न है या फिर जो प्रकरण है, जो टॉपिक है, वो है वैज्ञानिक अनुसंधान और नवीन समाधानों की